We are inside the brand new 2026 Honda Prelude. And today I'm going to be doing a really quick mirror tap video. Rear view mirror taps are used for a variety of different reasons when you want to run power directly from the rear view mirror area to an external device. Radar detector, dash cam, something like that. And then you're not having wires ran all over the place. I already took the housing off of the rear view mirror, and it's probably going to be pretty important to take the entire housing off in order to do this. So let me turn the camera around and I'll show you how to get the housing off and then what it looks like behind there. Okay, so this is the housing that sits at the rear view mirror. So the rear view mirror comes out of this circle right here, and there are two clips. So the easiest thing to do to start, at least for me, was to pull down on this back side, which is right here, right? So we pull down on there, and then now you have the rear view mirror that's actually sitting in this circle, right? So we're gonna turn this around so that it's easier to visualize. And essentially, this piece right here pulls out horizontally. So basically, you're going to push in on this side, which is going to be the driver's side. And then when you push in, you're releasing a clip that's holding on this area. At that point, you're going to move, there we go. You're gonna move the side off, and essentially this is gonna pull away. Once that pulls away, you're gonna be able to access and twist the mirror to the point where you can remove the entire housing. Now, both of these sides just come out laterally, right? So they just go like this. And when you put them back together, it's gonna be similar. You're basically putting in one side, and you'll pop in the other side. This is how this unit looks on the inside. So as you can see, this is one solid piece. This does not come off independent of this piece. And then we pushed in again on the driver's side, which released this clip, and we were able to then pull off the other side. Now, taking a look, this is what we have behind the rear view mirror. So we have a variety of different wire harnesses for the Honda suite of safety features. This is the one that we're going to be targeting. This is the one that's utilized for the home link mirror. And to make it very simple, when you pull this out, you have a variety of different colors. The power and ground with the accessory or engine on are really as easy as black and red. So those two right there are what we're going to utilize for the mirror tap. So I have my mirror tap wires in there. We've reconnected it to the housing. So now when we turn on the car, we should see power come on this guy. There it is. And when we turn off, so now we have this all back together. Again, these just squeeze back together once you get it in there. This recesses into some holders right behind here. Pop this on, and now we have our pigtail.